another aircraft taking off in front of us. Sounds heavy. Boeing 757-200 coming in. It's funny how this type of aircraft replaces that one. So you have our strobe lights on now. Just tell by looking at the winglet. Actually, no, that's the reflection of our beacon light. Never mind. I was wrong. Whoops. Okay, this is getting boring. Officially bored. For some reason in Tulsa we had to wait about 12 minutes before we could take off, and as a result, got into Dallas a little bit later. Landed on 17 left, had to taxi all the way over to Terminal D, had to scramble to make our connection, and we missed it. So now we had to wait about an hour and a half, and now we're on this flight. American Flight 60 to Miami on an American Airlines Airbus A321. And we're finally cleared to enter the runway. Woohoo! FedEx Boeing 757, and wow, they run a pretty large operation here in DFW. Yep, here we go.